Hey friends, welcome back to Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. I'm Mary Ellen, and around here, we celebrate every season and holiday with creativity, laughter, and a little bit of mess. From DIYs and plant-based recipes to family adventures, I'm learning as I go. And I'm so glad you're here to learn and celebrate right along with me. Today we're making one of my absolute favorite cozy fall and winter dinners, Instant Pot Vegan Hamburger Soup. This plant-based twist on a classic is warm, hearty, and perfect for busy weeknights. We're using simple, budget-friendly ingredients like potatoes, sweet potatoes, elbow noodles, and plant-based hamburger to create a rich, comforting soup the whole family will love. It's one of those dump-and-go recipes that feels like a hug in a bowl, flavorful, filling, and totally kid-approved. And the best part, it all comes together quickly right in the Instant Pot, which makes cleanup just as easy as the cooking. You will need 1 pound ground plant meat, 1 medium onion, 1 medium sweet potato, 1 Yukon Gold potato, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 8 cups of vegetable broth, 2 cups of macaroni noodles, 2 cups of frozen vegetable mix, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon Montreal steak seasoning, salt and pepper. Clean, peel, and chop your potatoes and onions. Set your Instant Pot to sauté. Brown your plant meat. Add your Montreal steak seasoning. Then add your garlic and onions and sauté for about 3 minutes. Turn off sauté mode. Add your broth. Deglaze your pot. Deglazing simply means adding a small amount of your liquid to the hot pot and scraping the bottom with a silicone spatula to loosen any brown bits stuck to the bottom. Those stuck-on bits add flavor, but if you don't scrape them up, the Instant Pot may give you a food burn warning. Add in all of your remaining ingredients. Add the elbow noodles on top, but do not stir. Just gently press them down into the liquid, so they're submerged. This helps prevent the dreaded food burn message. Seal your lid and pressure cook for 3 minutes. Once finished cooking, quick release your pressure. And that's it, friends. A simple, cozy, plant-powered Instant Pot Vegan Hamburger Soup that's perfect for chilly nights, busy days, or whenever you want a bowl of warm comfort. I hope this recipe brings your home as much joy and yummy aromas as it brings mine. This recipe is featured in my Instant Pot Soups cookbook. If you want more cozy plant-based soups, you can find the link to my cookbook in the video description. If you try this recipe, please leave me a comment to let me know how you liked it. And for more easy plant-based recipes, DIYs, and family fun, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out the rest of my videos. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this inspired you to get creative, try something new, and celebrate every little moment along the way. Don't forget to hype and like this video, subscribe, and come back soon. We've got plenty more growing and learning to do together.